Number 1, Nadine. Nadine is an empathetic robot that returns greetings, makes eye contact, and remembers all the conversations that have been had with her. She is a human-like robot with personality, mood, and emotions. The face and hands of Nadine are created by a Japanese company Kokoro, similar to her creator, Professor Nadia Thulman. Number 2, a mecha robot. A mecha is the world's most advanced, most realistic humanoid robot, representing the cutting-edge technology of humanoid robotics. A mecha's combination of artificial limbs and ligaments, actuators and sensor arrays uses cutting-edge technology. However, its lower half is currently non-functional. A mecha is a cloud-connected platform that multiplies the power of artificial intelligence with an artificial body, where AI and machine learning systems can be tested and developed on, alongside Engineered Art's powerful Tritium robot operating system. The mecha hardware is a development based on Engineered Art's own research into humanoid robotics, and built on their advanced Mesmer technology. Owners can also obtain access to all robotic data from anywhere in the globe, operated as their personal avatar, animate and simulate it. What can a mecha do? It is fantastic with its smile, its ability to blink its eyes regularly, gasp in surprise, scratch its nose, and even have a staring contest with its owner for fun, among other high-tech functions. While some people thought a mecha was fantastic, others thought it was alarming and expressed concern that it may lead to a cyber revolt and robot uprising like we've seen in the movies. However, a mecha's creators claim that the technological breakthrough would be used for a different purpose, asserting that a mecha will be the future face of robots. Number 3, the Da Vinci surgical robot. It is unthinkable, but true. More than 250,000 people die in the US each year from medical errors, some of which are likely preventable. While this is a broad category encompassing a range of different problems, it's certainly true that the more control surgeons have in their operations the better. The Da Vinci surgical system, a multi-armed wonderbot, is being used to reduce surgical errors and make surgery less invasive for thousands of patients. The Da Vinci surgical system gives surgeons more precise control for a range of procedures. Using magnified, 3D high-definition vision and controls that strap to a surgeon's wrists and hands, the Da Vinci system makes tiny, exact incisions that human hands might not otherwise be able to make. This offers enhanced control to surgeons and, since the surgery is less invasive than traditional surgery, a faster healing time for patients. Number 4, Miko robot. Miko's got dozens of emotions. Not just recognizing you and calling you by name, but responding to your mood and getting to know you a little better each day. It's also your friend. Powered by deep learning AI, Miko knows how to connect with kids. It's curious, expressive, and surprisingly empathetic. By better understanding a kid's developmental phases, Miko can help kids accelerate learning and increase intelligence. Miko understands there's a lot to learn. So, the more you hang out with Miko, the more Miko gets to know you. Miko is a perfect blend of logic and magic that can see, hear, remember and sense a child's moods. Number 5, AIDA, Artist Robot. AIDA is the world's first ultra-realistic artist robot. She draws, using cameras in her eyes, her AI algorithms, and her robotic arm. AIDA, is it art? The role and definition of art changes over time. AIDA's work is art because it reflects the enormous integration of technology in today's society. She had her first solo show at the University of Oxford on Secured Futures, where her art encouraged viewers to think about our rapidly changing world. AIDA creates art because art no longer has to be restrained by the requirement of human agency alone. Now, let's see, what are the other trending robots? Walker. Samsung Bot Retail. Mikey. Ido. Lens. Ollie. Alpha. Zenbo. Buddy. Emo. Jibo. Vector. Pilo. Robelf. Big Eye. BB-8. Dash and Dot. Wowie.